Good morning, guys. Got the curtains up this morning because it's a dull grey day out there today. It's supposed to be storms and rain for the next week or so. We will see. Well, breakfast is served. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Bit of 3D printing there. Fairly dull out there this morning. Brighter than I expected, but still grey. Haven't had any rain yet. Maybe that'll be later in the week. Breakfast is served. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I thought we'd start the day outdoors. It's a grey morning. Feed the birds. Look at the flat paddling pool. And a quick peek inside. Breakfast is served. Bit of 3D printing and some vape batteries. Good morning, guys. Grey out there this morning. Fed the birds. Oh, yeah. Collecting vapes again. Poundland solar lights. And breakfast is served. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Blue sky up there this morning. We actually had rain in the night. I think that's the first significant rain we've had for quite a while. And the outside of the conservatory's got condensation on it. And water butt's full. So, that's good. Oh, and breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Grey out there this morning and wet. Little conversion project going on there. Breakfast is served. Not much solar action. And wet and grey. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Blue sky, sun behind some clouds. Everything's wet because we had a rainy day, rainy night. Oh, and a bird's pooed on the table. Well, I'm not going to clean that off, I'm going to leave that for now. And breakfast is served. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Couple of projects overlapping there. Zeppelin car and Spiderbot. Not much going on solar-wise because it's grey out there. It was blue a few minutes ago, but it's actually raining out there just now. I just took the bird seed out. Mr. Pigeon just arrived. Breakfast is served. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Pigeons on the bird table. Breakfast is served. And another 3D printed whistle. Oh, and it's blue sky out there with a few clouds. I think it rained in the night again. Good morning, guys. Bright blue sky out there this morning. Sea view. And breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Another bright sunny morning. Looking rather nice out there. Good morning, guys. A little bit of cloud up there this morning. We did have a beautiful sunrise earlier on. Breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Not quite such a bright day today. Rained in the night and cloudy. Good morning, guys. Another dull day out there. Waves breaking on the rocks out there. And breakfast is served. Good morning. Looks a bit calmer out there this morning. Got quite wild last night. Fair bit of cloud up there, but fair bit of blue sky around the edges, so could go either way today. Good morning, guys. A bright sunny morning this morning. In fact, you could even call that a mackerel sky, the cloud formation. Good morning, guys. Early start this morning. Just beating the sunrise. We want to get off early and miss the traffic. So that's our final morning. Good morning, guys. Bright sunny morning. No sea view. Back home. Birds are getting pizza crust. Flowers look good. I've already mowed the lawn. And there's our breakfast. Good morning, guys. Another blue sky. It's definitely colder though. Bit more pizza crust there. Yes. We're into October now, aren't we? Or are we in September? September. I'm jumping a bit. September the 13th, 18th. Get it right, Grandad. Sunday the 18th of September. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. A little bit grey out there this morning. Nanny's already been out and put the washing out. I've put the food on the bird table. I put a camera under the shelter just to see if we can see them eating it, but that only runs for 20 minutes and they usually take longer than that to turn up. So, breakfast is served anyway. Good morning, guys. Pigeons on the bird feeder, bird table. I've been out there trying the hot air balloon. I needed 2 hair dryers to get enough heat. And we didn't get very high. I think I really need 2 people. Need an assistant. Anyway, breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Another bright sunny morning. Blue sky. Feed the birds. And there's our breakfast. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Sun's up there. Bit of light cloud up there. Definitely getting colder. Where are we? 22nd of September. Thursday the 22nd of September. Still wearing my shorts. Breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Grey sky this morning. And I'm running late. Very late. Woke up late and I've been answering comments on YouTube before I started making the breakfast. Which is ready, but it's 9:30. Friday the 23rd of September. So I better get a move on. Good morning, guys. Pigeons waiting patiently for their breakfast. Blue sky up there. Cloudy over that side. Need to put a bit more water in there. Right, yeah, so a fine looking morning. Breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Another blue sky. Definitely getting colder though. A little bit more bread than normal because some of it was going off a bit. Let's throw a bit of that down there. Right, so blue sunny morning, blue sky morning, and breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Grey sky up there. Pretty sure it rained in the night. Blue sky over there. Cool out here this morning. Yes, I think we might well get some heavy rain if we haven't already had it. Breakfast is served. Good morning, guys. Running a little bit late, so the sun's a little bit higher, shining in our eyes. Lovely blue sky up there this morning. A couple of pteranodons there. And breakfast with a cookie cutter. Grandad is an old man. Good morning, guys. Another beautiful morning. Cold again. Ooh, don't look so good that way though, does it? Thick black clouds. Oh well, we'll find out. Wooden kit, 3D printing, breakfast is served. Morning, guys. Grey morning this morning. Grass is wet, it's been raining. That means all the weeds will be growing. Well, and everything else. Good morning, guys. Morning, guys. Bit of a grey morning. It was sunny earlier, but I reckon it's going to rain. Pigeons sit here in the morning waiting for me. As soon as they see me, they fly off. And there we go. There's breakfast. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.